Hello guys, and welcome to Creating a Basic Page by WA Courses. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can create a basic page on WordPress using Gutenberg Page Builder. So with the intro out the way, let's get started with the video. So right now I'm logged into the backend of my WordPress website. So to create a new page, simply go over to the page section here and click on Add New. Okay, so it works in the same way you create posts. So you just go over to pages and you click on add a new page. So right now I'm using the classic editor, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to do this with the classic editor first before going over to Gutenberg. So over here you add a title. So pages are mostly used for adding legal or static kind of content. For example, the about us of your company, contact us page, privacy policy, and other forms of static content. So if you have any form of content that is hardly going to change, that's when you use a page. So I'm just going to add about us over here. So type in about us. So using the page is very straightforward. Just type in the title and over here you add in the content. So you can add in any kind of content here. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste this over. Okay, so let's assume this is content, and you can also add images. So I'm just going to add an image to this. Okay, I'm going to make this centered. So with pages, you also have this featured image settings here, so you can set the featured image for your pages. So whenever you're sharing it on social media or it's being picked up by a search engine, they're gonna get they're gonna have an image that they can represent this post by. Okay, so just click on set featured image and you can set the featured image for this. So once you're done with this, just click on publish and it's going to publish this page. So I'm just going to publish this so we can see how it looks on the front end. Then I'm going to show you how to do this with Gutenberg also. So let's just open this in the new tab, about us, and yeah, this is how it looks. So this is our content and it's very straightforward and very easy to create. So I'm going to switch my editor to Gutenberg. So I'll show you how to do this exact page creation process for Gutenberg. So I'm going to switch to block editor and click on save changes. Okay, so we'll go back to pages again and click on add new. If you go over to pages, you can also add a new page from here also. So if you don't want to use this, you can also use this button here, and a quick shortcut when you're at the back end or anywhere on your website, you can use the WordPress toolbar. So if I come over to new, I can actually create a new page from here also. So there are different places you can access this new page builder. So if I click on add new or here or wherever, I'm going to get to the page editor. Okay, just like in the classic editor, we have where we can add our title and we also have where we can add our content. Okay, so almost everything that you get with classic editor is also available here. We also have featured image, and we have publish and every other feature that we had with the classic editor. So the main difference is with the block editor, you can add more kinds of content to your page. So you can add different kinds of content using blocks. So if I click on this block here, I can add a gallery, I can add an image. You can also do these things using the classic editor, but it's just a little bit easier when you're using the block editor, when you're trying to design the page itself. So I'm just going to type in about us here also, about us. And over here, I'm going to paste in the same code, the same stuff we used in the former in the classic editor. So I'm going to add a new image. So I'm just going to type in image over here. Image. Okay, so I'm going to upload this, or better yet, I'm going to click on the media library and just import a random image so it makes the page look more fuller. So I'm going to import this same image that we used in the former video, that we used in the classic editor. I'm just going to drag this. I'm just going to take this up here, and I'm also going to set a featured image. So I'm just going to go to pages, featured image, set featured image, and select this. Then once I'm done, click on publish, and it's going to publish this on our website. So let's open this in a new tab and see how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the post we just created. This is the page we just created, and it looks exactly how we designed it with Gutenberg. So it's very straightforward and easy to create pages, just mostly adding content and publishing. And you can also do a few things here. I'm going to be explaining some extra features in the future videos. But for now, this is how you create a normal basic page with WordPress. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.